Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here and today we're going to unbox the Galaxy Buds Pro. So let's begin the unboxing video. So here is the box of the Galaxy Buds Pro. Not too much here on the back, it's going to say the same thing, Galaxy Buds Pro, Bluetooth AKG, and it's going to have two seals. So let's just open it. Okay, first of all I think we're going to have some kind of manual booklets by Samsung. Here we got some documentation for this earbuds which ain't very much necessary. The second thing, I think it's going to be its charging cable, if I'm right. Yes, so it's a USB type A to, I think, yes, it is a type C, USB type A to type C charging cable for the Galaxy earbuds, and last but not least the Galaxy earbuds themselves. Here it is, Samsung, and nothing too much on the box. Here you're going to have your Galaxy earbuds. Here as you can see, so for pairing all you need to do is to just open the Bluetooth of your Samsung or any other Android phone and connect them, and that's all. So this was just a quick little unboxing video of these Galaxy earbuds. Hope you guys like this video. If you liked it, like, share, subscribe.